Greetings! What I'm about to show you is how to run Kubernetes using Fleet on a stock CoreOS system. This is a stock CoreOS system using a Vagrant repository for running CoreOS that results in an automatically running CoreOS cluster. The first thing I'm going to do is list the unit files. There are none so far. I do have these on disk, and I'm going to use wildcard activation. This should work because I am using systemd before and after dependencies, resulting in each service running in the proper sequence, such that, for instance, the Kubernetes environment sets up the environment variables before the API server is run, and then the API server is run, and then the subsequent services that depend upon it will be run, and be able to find the IP address of the API server. In this case, the API server is running on 103. I have a pre-installed kubectl on this system that I'm going to utilize to access the Kubernetes cluster. And as you can see, the cluster is ready to use. The time listed there, you'll see 18 minutes and 5 minutes, is because through video editing, I cut out the periods of time when the system was waiting for the images, the Kubernetes images, to be pulled. Now I'm going to run a simple Kubernetes Nginx service. It's been created. It'll take at least a minute or so for it to load up. You don't have to worry about waiting through that. Through the magic of video editing, that too will be sped up. As you can see in this instance, it's showing it being created. The next thing you'll see is that the pod is now ready. Now I'm going to describe the pod. And now I want to find out the IP address of the pod. I'm going to use 10.1.20.2 as shown, cut and pasted from there, and I'm going to curl it. And sure enough, the pod is ready to use, as is the Kubernetes cluster. Have fun!